Hey Geek, so if you're looking for a camera in 2026 or even 2027, there's going to be a lot of options out there. And regardless of which brand that you go with, I really feel that you can't get a bad camera nowadays. They're simply all great to amazing. But what if you're just somebody who wants to create, you want high quality, and you don't want to spend more than $1,000? Well, I have one option that's going to be the best camera for a lot of people out there, and it's this right here, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, I know the Osmo Pocket 4 is out right now. However, this I still feel is going to be the best camera for a lot of people, and you're going to be able to get it at a lower price than the Pocket 4, and the performance and features on it, there's not a huge difference. And then whenever you pair the Pocket 3 along with the DJI Mic Mini, this is going to be an excellent combo that is pocketable, is packed full of features, gives you great quality, and you can take this around practically anywhere with you, especially if you're somebody who loves to travel like myself. And ever since I've had this, I am not disappointed. This is just such an amazing, versatile camera, and I can't believe all the things that they were able to pack into this, along with being an excellent gimbal as well, plus the fact that you could easily shoot vertical or widescreen videos, and it also has things like 4K, 120, a lot of incredible features in such a small package. And so I feel if you are looking for a camera in 2026, 2027, or maybe even beyond, the Pocket 3 should be the clear winner on your list of choices. So if you actually had any thoughts on this camera or any other cameras you enjoyed, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to support my channel and get this camera, I will leave affiliate links in the description area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you on another episode.